All right, after a little bit of research, I'm getting some of this apart. I'm still having a problem getting, I believe it's the idle arm. I'll have to look again. Getting this off, it has, I've used two different pullers, does not want to budge, but I can get this assembly off here. So, what I'm going to do, I sprayed it down, gotten some lube on it, bust out the big boy here, and I've already tapped this a little bit, but gotten this loose. Back here in the back, unscrew this piece off here, get it out. What that does is it allows me to get in here get this assembly out here, and whoop, there it is. All right. And I've got this grease shield that was on here. It's just nasty as can be. So what I'm going to do though, that back in there, that back in there, and that back on there. So that way I have all my parts still on there. Figure that out. But that allows me to get to this. Time to check everything out. I want to get everything cleaned up so I can physically see what's going on, see how loose it is, see if it's good. I'd like to reuse it if I can. I need to figure out the slop, so, and then getting this part off so that I can get to the steering assembly. But I just wanted to show that I got that figured out there. And man, just one more thing to take care of, and that's it. And we'll get this thing taken apart. So almost there. All right.